How to save money with Maya using Time Deposit Plus and earn up to 6% interest per annum. Okay guys, to start saving with Maya, pwede ka rito mag-create ng 5 Time Deposit Plus and 5 personal goal account. And you can earn interest on balances of up to 1 million pesos for Time Deposit Plus and up to 100,000 pesos for personal goals. Dito sa time deposit ay pwede ka dito mamili ng iyong target amount to get your maximum interest rate. Okay, kapag 12 months up to 5.5% per annum, kapag 6 months naman up to 6% per annum, at if 3 months is up to 5% per annum. And dito naman sa personal goal, start a goal up to 6 months long and up to 8% per annum. Kung bago ka lang sa channel na to at gusto mo pa ng mga tutorial videos na kagaya nito, hit like and subscribe button. Kamakailan lang ay itinuro ko sa inyo kung paano tayo mag-open at mag-deposit sa Maya Savings Account. And now ay dito naman tayo sa time deposit. Okay, mas malaki ang pwede natin ma-earn kapag dito tayo nag-save sa time deposit. We can earn up to 6% per annum. Okay, to save in time deposit, first ay i-open mo ang iyong Maya Savings Account at pindutin mo tong time deposit. Pwede ka mamili if 12 months, 6 months, or 3 months. Okay, piliin ko tong 6 months na may interest rate na up to 6% per annum. Then set up your time deposit. Okay, mag-select ka dito ng mood at name your time deposit. Okay, sa akin ay fund. Then, maglagay ka ng iyong target amount. Kung gusto mong maka-earn ng 6% per annum, kailangan ang target amount mo ay at least 5,000 pesos to 1 million pesos. So, ang target amount na gusto ko ay 10,000 pesos. Note guys, pwede naman ito ma-cancel, but if canceled, fees and withholding tax will be charged. At makikita mo naman dito ang iyong end date. Okay, itap ko na tong continue. Okay, ang interest guys is paid monthly. Ang base interest ay 3.5% per annum at booster interest na 2.5% per annum. Okay, paki-double check lang guys ang mga detalye at kung sure ka na ay itap mo na tong confirm. And yung time deposit is ready. Nakalagay dito yung name and date, target amount, and yung account number. Okay, kailangan mong mag-deposit to start earning. To deposit, itap mo lang tong deposit now, then select a fund source. Pwede sa Maya Wallet manggagaling, sa Maya Savings, or from other bank. Okay, yung fund ko ay nasa Maya Savings, so ang piliin ko ay itong savings. Siya nga po pala guys, we can deposit multiple times into a Maya Time Deposit Plus until we reach our target amount. I-try ko muna mag-deposit ng 500 pesos. Okay, then tap continue. Then to confirm ay itap mo na tong transfer. Then tap finish. Okay, so ayan guys, my first deposit unlocked and tap get it. So dahil 500 pesos pa lang ang na-deposit ko at ngayon ang earning ko pa lang ay 3.5% per annum base rate. Kailangan ko pang mag-deposit ng 9,500 pesos to hit my target amount and to earn booster rate na 2.5% per annum. At nandito na yung 500 pesos sa Time Deposit Plus at kung gusto naman natin dagdagan ay itap lang natin to. Okay, then tap deposit. At ang aking fund source ay it ulit na may savings. Then, deposit amount is 9,500 pesos. Then, tap continue. Then, tap transfer. Then, tap finish. And, tap get it. So, ayan po ay nahit ko na po yung aking target amount na 10,000 pesos at na-unlock na po yung booster rate. And now, earning is 6% per annum. 3.5% per annum na base rate plus 2.5% per annum na booster rate. Dito guys sa Maya Time Deposit Plus, interest, base, and boosted is earned monthly. on the first day of the following month at binabawas na yung taxes. At ito ay nadadagdag sa ating Maya Savings Balance. Okay, makikita natin dito after 53 days or almost 2 months ay ito na po yung kinita ng 10,000 pesos minus taxes na may 6% per annum interest rates. So masasabi ko lang po na Maya Time Deposit Plus offers higher interest than the Maya Savings, but it requires funds at least 5,000 pesos to get the best rates. At yung funds are locked for 12 months, 6 months, or 3 months. Unlike sa Maya Savings na medyo mababa ang interest rates, 3.5% per annum, but you can deposit and withdraw anytime. Okay, so kayo na lang po mamili kung alin yung best sa inyo. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe button. Okay, thank you for watching.